Question 10 talks about a uniform beam XY. Let's draw this. Here we go. Weight 1200 newtons. So weight in the middle as it's uniform. This point here, point X, point Y. Supported horizontally on concrete pillars at both ends. So there's a pillar here and a pillar here. Both of these are going to supply support forces up. I'm going to label this one support X and this one support Y. The beam is 5 meters long, so that must mean that this distance here, 2.5 meters. And this distance also 2.5 meters. Now it says a person of 500 newtons sits on the beam at a distance of 1.5 meters from X, so round about here ish. 500 newtons. Right, so I've drawn the free body diagram. It actually asks the first part of question 10, part A says sketch a free body diagram. But you'll notice that I just got on and drew one anyway, because when you're reading a problem, drawing the diagram out often helps you to visualise what's going on. Part B, it says here what is the, well, basically calculate the support force on each beam, so SX and SY. So to do this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take moments about one of these support forces so that I can cancel them out into my equation, because obviously if this is the pivot here, then the support force X goes through the pivot and does not have a moment. So I'm going to take moments about X. So the clockwise moments about X are going to be equal to the anti-clockwise moment. So that would be, well, the clockwise moment must be the support force SY. So that's SY times 5 going that way is equal to these two clockwise moments, so is equal to 500 times 1.5 plus 1200 times 2.5. So 5 SY equals 750 plus 3000. SY if we work that all out, should come to be 750 newtons. So we've got one of the support forces, now we need to calculate the other. Now we could take moments about this point Y to find out the other, if that's what we wanted to do, or we could simply resolve all the forces vertically. So the upwards forces would be SX and SY. So upward forces are in equilibrium with the downward forces. The weight of the person plus the weight of the beam. We know what SY is because we've just worked it out. So SX is going to be equal to 500 plus 1200. Take away 750, which, when you work it all out, should be 950 newtons.